All right, my speech tonight is going to be on sea slugs. They are amazing creatures that live in the ocean. They are cute but deceivingly dangerous. They are called the nudibranch or naked sea snail. They live in the salt water of Antarctica and the coral reefs. I'm going to introduce you to this species and hopefully pique your curiosity. Their scientific name is Nudibranchia or sea slug. They belong to the gastropod mollusk class and family. They are invertebrates with no bones. Most have shells, except for the sea slugs do not. They leave a mucus trail behind, and that mucus trail is used to follow other sea slugs or to hunt other sea slugs. Sea slugs also have I can't think of the word that I'm trying to say. They have serrata on their backs, which look like flowing spikes on their bodies. The serratas are used for breathing and digestion. And by digestion, I mean they pull things out of the water to eat them. And some of them use them for a form of defense. Sea slugs also have rhinophores, which are antennas on the top of their heads, and they use them to smell the salt water. They look for food, and it helps them to detect predators. They also have eye spots, which are just black dots on the sides of their heads. They don't actually look like eyes. They can't really see out of them. All they use them for is to detect the difference between light and dark. The sea slugs have two main forms of defenses. One is to roll into a ball to protect their undersides and roll away in the current. And the other is they use the toxins from the food that they eat and store it in their serrata. Their main diet is an anemone and jellyfish. When they eat the anemone or the jellyfish, they process their prey and they deposit the toxins or the stinging organelles into their serrata. They will refire these toxins or organelles against their predators. Research is being done on specifically one type of sea slug at California State of Los Angeles. Their main diet is algae. And in this study, they're showing that sea slugs store chlorophyll from the algae in their bodies. And they have them go weeks without a food source except for sunlight. The sea slugs in the light still grow at a slow pace, embracing the power of the chlorophyll in order to continue to grow. They also have a sea slug that is not in a light source, and that one does not grow in that time period. These little creatures have learned how to adapt and utilize or recycle the things around them to survive and thrive in their environment. The sea slug is a small but mighty in our huge world. There's 3,000 species, and there's so much to learn about and from them. The study with the chlorophyll and the sea slug is just the beginning to learn what they have and to offer. I hope you enjoyed learning about these pretty amazing, adaptable little creatures with superpowers and their small but fantastic bodies. Thank you.